Hello, cat lovers. Welcome back to CatFactsFunny, your cozy corner for fascinating feline stories, surprising science, and heartwarming realities about the cats we adore. Whether you've been a lifelong cat parent or you've just recently discovered the magic of these mysterious creatures, you're in the correct place. So take a cup of tea, curl up with your furry friend, and let's dive into something truly particular today. Have you ever noticed that moment when you come home after a long day, and your cat does something so simple, yet so profound, that it takes your breath away? That full body stretch, the arching back, the paws extending like they're reaching for the ceiling. It seems almost mundane at first glance. But what if I told you that this tiny movement is one of the deepest ways your cat expresses love for you? Today, we're uncovering the heartwarming truth behind this incredible gesture. The physical beauty of a cat stretch. Let's start with the basics. Cats are some of the most flexible creatures on the planet. Did you know they have 230 bones in their bodies? 24 more than humans? Their spine is incredibly elastic, filled with cushioning discs that allow that breathtaking range of motion. Every stretch you see is a full-body workout, engaging their shoulders, back, legs, and even their delicate paw pads. There are different types of stretches, and each serves a purpose. The classic front leg stretch with the hindquarters in the air, the dramatic spine arch, the full body elongation, and even the subtle paw reach. All of these movements keep your cat agile, limber, and ready for action. Even our indoor cats, far removed from hunting, still preserve these instinctual behaviors because their bodies are designed for movement and alertness. However, while all of this explains the physical aspect, it still doesn't answer the bigger question. Why do they perform this stretch specifically when you walk through the door? The emotional meaning behind the stretch. Cats, despite their reputation for independence, are sophisticated communicators. They use over 100 distinct vocalizations and more than 25 body signals to reflect feelings, intentions, and desires. That stretch when you arrive home isn't just a random act. It's a greeting ritual designed just for you. Your cat doesn't do this for strangers. It's not for the mail carrier, the neighbor, or other pets. This gesture is reserved for someone they trust and have been waiting for, you. It's a way of saying, without words, "I've noticed your absence. I'm happy you're here. I feel safe and connected to you." The science of bonding oxytocin in cats. Now let's dive a little deeper. Inside your cat's brain, when they see you, a remarkable chemical reaction happens. It's called oxytocin, often dubbed the love or bonding hormone. In humans, oxytocin is released during moments of connection, holding a newborn, hugging a loved one, sharing heartfelt moments. Researchers at Asabu University in Japan found that when cats interact with their human companions, through petting, playing, or simply being near, their oxytocin levels rise significantly. This increase isn't as dramatic as in dogs, but it's measurable and undeniable. That means your cat is literally feeling happiness and attachment when they're around you. That stretch you see? It's the physical manifestation of this emotional and chemical shift. Your feline is moving from a relaxed, solitary state into a social, interactive state, preparing their body and heart for engagement with you. Vulnerable confidence, trust in motion. There's another layer here, one that makes the stretch even more profound. When your cat stretches fully, their belly is exposed, their balance momentarily compromised. In the wild, this would be a vulnerable position, but your cat does it in front of you because they feel completely safe. This is what behavioral scientists call vulnerable confidence. Your cat is essentially saying, "I trust you enough to show my true self, completely unguarded." Research at the University of Lincoln shows that roughly 65% of cats form secure attachment bonds with their caregivers, bonds similar to those dogs form. So that seemingly simple stretch is, in fact, an act of profound trust and love. The warm greeting ritual. Cats have evolved unique ways of communicating with humans. Unlike their wild ancestors, domestic cats meow at us constantly. They've developed behaviors specifically for interacting with their humans, And the greeting stretch is part of this evolved social toolkit. This isn't random. Cats know your routine. They recognize the sound of your car, your footsteps, your keys. Many start waiting by the door even minutes before you arrive. The stretch is the culmination of anticipation, preparation, and celebration. Their personal welcome dance designed just for you. The full choreography, what to watch for. Next time you come home, observe carefully. The greeting sequence usually follows a specific order. First, the stretch. Then watch the tail. If it rises with a slight curve at the tip, that's happiness and friendly intent. The cat approaches slowly, giving space, showing social sophistication. Then comes bunting, rubbing their head or cheeks against you. This isn't just affection. It's marking you with their scent, creating a shared family scent and signaling, "You're mine." Sometimes they knead with their paws, a regression to kittenhood comfort, showing trust and contentment. Each tiny movement in this sequence communicates love, recognition, and bond strength. Personality matters. Every cat is unique. Not every cat performs the stretch in the same way. Personality differences affect greeting behaviors. Some cats may just slow blink from across the room, chirp once, or follow you quietly. This doesn't mean they love you less. Introverted cats show affection differently. The key is consistency and attention to their unique patterns. Recognize your cat's individual ritual, and you'll start seeing the hidden language of love they've been communicating all along. The ultimate gesture, full stretch with eye contact. There's a rare variation of the greeting stretch that's truly extraordinary. The full extension stretch with direct eye contact. Most cats stretch while looking away, focused on the act itself. However, some cats, specifically with their favorite person, maintain eye contact the entire time. In the feline world, eye contact can signal dominance or aggression. So when your cat stretches fully while looking at you, it's the ultimate compliment. They're combining vulnerability, trust, and direct connection. It's their way of saying, "I love you, I trust you, you are my person." Evolution, adaptation, and the language of cats. Domestic cats have lived alongside humans for about 10,000 years, evolving new behaviors to communicate with us. They've effectively learned a second language, human. Stretching, tail positions, slow blinks, bunting. These are all words in a vocabulary developed to express love across species. Your cat doesn't just tolerate your presence. They understand you, anticipate you, and bond with you. That stretch is the opening line in a beautiful, unspoken conversation that happens every single day. How to respond to your cat's stretch. So how should you respond when your cat greets you with this beautiful ritual? First, respect their timing. Don't rush in. Let them complete the stretch. Approach at their pace. Crouch to their level. Offer your hand to sniff or rub gently on their head or cheeks. Try slow blinking back. This reinforces trust and affection. By admitting and responding appropriately, you strengthen your bond and encourage more open communication. It becomes a positive feedback loop. Your cat shows love, you respond, and the connection deepens. The takeaway, every stretch is a love letter. Every time your cat stretches when you come home, remember, it's more than physical preparation. It's a ritual, a greeting, a message of trust, love, and happiness. It's a love letter in body language. Each movement, each tail flick, each slow blink, they're communicating, in every fiber of their being, "I'm glad you're here. I love you. You're my person." The next time you see that stretch, pause. Watch. Appreciate the depth of trust and emotion behind it. Your cat has been sending you this message all along. Now you understand it fully. Thank you so much for joining me here on CatFactsFunny. If this gave you a new appreciation for your cat's incredible behavior, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your stories in the comments. I want to hear about your cat's unique greeting rituals. Every story matters, and every bond is worth celebrating. Until next time, Cherish every stretch, every slow blink, every quiet moment of connection. Your cat already does. Now go give your furry friends some love. They've been waiting for you.